Very good morning. My name is Madhukar Swayambhu. I represent Vaidic Srijan LLP, and we are here to participate into Zayed Sustainability Prize, for which we are making this short video. The challenges that we are addressing is basically restoration of soil, water, and air back to the native condition, contamination-free, through their conjunction point, which are the water bodies in the wetlands, and we restore their ecosystem services. As far as innovation and uniqueness of our solution is concerned, we are the only technology in the world which consumes and digests the contamination instead of segregation and collection, which is the conventional way of doing it. In the conventional way, we are only postponing the problems, we are not solving it. But in the Vaidic Srijan way, through the Cownomics technology, we are solving the problem right from the grassroots level. As far as our impact on the people and the environment is concerned, because we are recreating the natural abundance, we are safeguarding people from water and vector-borne diseases, from air pollution-based diseases. We are creating livelihoods in the circular economy. We have the most massive impact on the people and the planet. As far as our long-term vision of usage of the prize money for the contribution of achievement is concerned, we intend to restore the planet back to the sustainable standards, and we're making it livable for all the life forms. It is not just for the human beings, but for all the plants and the animals, birds, bees, and butterflies. And we are trying to undo the harm which is caused by the 400 years of destructive development and recreate the natural abundance. Why we are a strong contender for the prize is because we're the only nature-based solution which is not just holistic and sustainable, but we are also having a 100% proven track record. We have the least gestation period, highest possible impact, and yet we treat in situ without any chemical, biological, or mechanical intervention. We're changing the lives of the people, planet, and for all life forms, we are making it sustainable. Thank you.